Well, my mistake. I was under the impression that the Monaco Grand Prix would have been held the week after Memorial Day, much like it did last year. Unfortunately, no, it was held over the weekend, much like the Indianapolis 500 and Coke 600, at least for 2022, much like it had been previously up until last year. My fault, mea culpa, I'll admit it. So, let's make the Monte Carlo. It's another old-fashioned variant, will be stirred in the glass, so one thing you'll need to get is, of course, your rocks glass. And also involves a liqueur that not a lot of people may know of. If you're in mixology, of course you may know of this, but for the beginner, much like what this channel's for, you might not know of it. So, I've never had it. Let's get into it. So I need to get some Angostura bitters, and I need 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And now for the ingredient that I'm talking about. It's Benedictine liqueur. DOM makes it. It's actually created by monks, and it's a herbal and slightly sweetened liqueur. So it's nowhere near as sweet as would be a straight sugar cube or simple syrup. So I need a 1/2 ounce of Benedictine liqueur, and now I need rye whiskey, and I figure let's go ahead and use one that is a classic bullet rye. 95% rye, 5% malted barley. This is actually from Midwestern Grain Products, MGP, as some people may know it, and it's a classic. So for this drink, why not? 2 ounces of rye, and now large sugar cube, right? And so, take your bar spoon, any spoon really, and give this a stir. Garnish for this would, you could use a orange, or no, not orange, you could use a lemon twist, and it would work well, at least that's what I've heard, but garnish is optional. So, the final drink of the month of speed, or the 5 weeks of speed, the Monte Carlo. Cheers. Ooh, very herbal, and its flavor. The rye spice, and the herbaceousness of Benedictine play well. It marries well. It's a very interesting cocktail. I have to say, between this and the Sazerac, I think I found 2 good whiskey cocktails. Well, actually there's a third, but that'll be in a future episode. Be on the lookout for that one. The Monte Carlo, named for Monte Carlo. Interesting. If you liked the video, well, you know what to do. Hit like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. And tell me, have you had a Monte Carlo? Have you had other old-fashioned variants aside from the straight old-fashioned? Have you had Sazerac? Have you had any of the cocktails within the month of speed? And if you have, tell me your spec. What have you done? And thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail as we get into more refreshing cocktails as we get into the summer months. Until then, thank you for watching, and I will be back real soon. This has been The Beginner's Bar.